Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Allergies can cause a persistent cough by triggering inflammation in your airways. When pollen or dust irritates your immune system, it leads to a dry, lingering cough, often worsened by postnasal drip. Managing allergies with medication or avoiding triggers often reduces coughing and improves comfort.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.